Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload PDF to Google Bard, right? So there are certain ways only by using those ways or options you can just upload a PDF, right? So if I just ask to Google Bard that can I upload a PDF into the Google Bard, what it say, you can just check this out. So here it says that if your PDF is publicly accessible online, whether it's in a website or cloud storage, you can simply paste the URL into the prompt and ask me to do something it. Well, for example, let me just show you. If I just drag and open it here, right, and if I just copy this stuff, right, and if I just paste it, this is the way, right? This is the only way where you can do it. Basically it says that it can access through a cloud storage, or a website doesn't. If even though if I just upload it to the Google Drive and just give it to the free access that anybody can access it, and I just paste the link, it won't be. As well as here it says that convert the PDF to text. Yeah, this is a practical way because you can convert to text, or you can just copy from PDF as you can see here, and in this way I can paste it and ask everything regarding it, right? So if the PDF is just a few pages long, you can just read it yourself and you can tell me the main points. So I don't know what then Bard is going to do if I'm going to do that, right? So there is only one way that is practical to me, that is PDF to text, right? And there's no other way. So if you found this video very useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel.